How would you like $10 for 185 views? Sounds great, right? What about $234 for 1,429 views? Yes, it's possible to earn money with less views with YouTube AdSense. I managed to double my monthly YouTube revenue by using 5 simple tricks. In this video, I will share with you 5 actionable tricks you can also apply to your YouTube channel to earn money from YouTube views. The first trick is to find keywords with high CPC and create videos around them. Keep watching, I will show you free sites and exact steps on how to do this. Let me first give you some background. The amount of money you get paid for each video is indicated in the revenue tab of your YouTube analytics. Here you see CPM. CPM stands for cost per million. It is the cost an advertiser must pay for every 1,000 views of their ad. YouTube takes 45% of CPM as their cut and you as the creator gets the rest. So if you can get a high CPM rate for your video, you don't need a lot of views to make money on YouTube. For example, this video has around $100 CPM and that's why the revenue is high for a small number of views. Do you want to know how to find keywords that get these high CPMs? If so, give this video a like and I will show you that next. The website I use is called lsigraph.com. You can type a keyword here and find details about the keyword. For example, let me type social media marketing. You see the related keywords, the trend for the keyword, the search volume, CPC, and competition. CPC, cost per click, is the amount an advertiser pays each time when a YouTube user clicks the ad. This metric is for in-display ads on YouTube. The goal is to find high CPC keywords. You can do that by sorting based on the CPC column. Here you see keywords over $20 of CPC. Likewise, you can add keywords related to your niche and find high CPC keywords and create videos around those. The next step is to get the video ranked on YouTube for the keywords you selected. I have created previous videos on how to get your YouTube videos on the first page of YouTube search. Watch those videos in case you missed them. The links are in the description. The second trick on how to earn money from YouTube views is to find high CPM videos which you have created in the past and get more views to those videos by promoting them. The way you find high CPM for your videos is by going to the revenue tab in your YouTube analytics. Then click see more. You will get a list of videos with a column on playback based CPM. For some reason, they don't allow sorting on this column, but there is a workaround I use. That is to go top right and export the current view into a Google Sheet. Then you can add filtering based on columns and easily get the videos sorted from high to low. Note down about 5 videos and promote those videos to get more views. I have created many videos before on methods you can promote videos. I will leave those links in the description. Just one view for a high CPM video will make you more money than spending your effort on promoting low CPM videos. Before I move on to the third trick, if you learned something new from this video, consider subscribing to this channel so that you won't miss the future videos like this which are packed with value. The third trick is to find the highest earning videos and get more traffic to those. Often your highest earning videos are not always the ones with the highest CPM. You can find your top earning videos in the revenue tab just under the graph. Use the methods I have linked below to promote those videos and make more money from AdSense. The fourth way to make money from YouTube views is to create new videos similar to the top earning videos. You can look at the traffic sources and keywords people are using to find your top earning videos. To do that, click on the video and then go to the Reach tab. Then if you scroll down, you will see traffic sources. These are the keywords people are using to find that video. So use a couple of those keywords and create a new video around those keywords. How much money do you make per 1,000 views on YouTube for your top video? Leave a comment below. The fifth trick is to boost the number of monetized views. If you look at your revenue analytics, you will find that the number of monetized playbacks are much lower than the actual video views. This is because only views that include advertisement will be included in your monetized views. The key to increasing the number of monetized views is with search engine optimization. By using proper keywords in titles and descriptions of the YouTube videos, you will be able to increase visibility, which will get more viable monetized views. Apply these 5 tricks to your YouTube channel and see your revenue from YouTube grow.